So guys, welcome to the live stream. As I can see, 7,111 members are joined here right now. So look here comfortably, like after how much time we will get the profit. So if we will check, let me tell you regarding the previous live stream, it was like really fantastic and amazing because a lot of questioning, a lot of newcomers asking there in the comment chat, and I really appreciate when I was like informing them with their doubts, clearing the doubts. So if someone is new here and he want or she want to ask any doubts, so it's free of cost. Like you can just write in the live telecast in the YouTube channel in the comment section, and I will reply your all questions. Oh, Gogoi, hi. So I just thinking about Gogoi, and Gogoi came on the live stream. So welcome to the Gogoi, first member here. And I just came here, so I didn't make any trades right now, but I will try. I'm just looking like which so today yes, am I right? Today Asia Composite Index is like giving the 93%. It means that I invest 300 here, then it will give me the profit of the 279, like approx 280. Like it's giving the double, actually double amount, just 20 dirham less as compared to the 300. So it's really cool. As I can make here because it's just moving in the downward direction. So let's make a down trade. Okay, let's make the first. So I just make the first trade in the downward direction, and the time duration is 2 minutes. So let's see, because here it looks like that it will move to the upward, as you can see guys here, because the blue line is still trying to move in the upward direction, but here if we focus on the yellow line, it is still moving in the very downward. So here chances can be happen. Let's check our trade, active trade here, like it came in the profit now, but we have to wait for the like 2 minutes, and our time remaining is 1 minute and 30 seconds. So see guys, up down, up down, up down, and up down. Two things are going on here. So in the end moment, in the end of the 7 second, it moved, like it changed the direction to the upward. Oh, it's again changing the direction to the downward, I think. Here in the end of the last 1 minute, it's completely changed to the upward. So what do you will think guys? Go, it will be a profit or it will be a loss? I have the time remaining is 1 minute, as you can see on my active trade here. If we check our previous live stream, like previous profit, so we really in the too much profit, as you can see, like approximately 800 dirham in the profitable amount. It was nice. Let's see, today I will get the profit as the previous live streams, or maybe I will give the loss. So depends. Go write in the comment chat profit. Let's check your imaginary power, like as I can also feel like that it will be a profit, but the thing is that it completely changed in the upward direction, and our time is 20 seconds there and 3 seconds only here. So I think it will be a loss now. In the end of the time, it just changed the direction. You can see it is not going very well to the downward. Focus here, only 7 seconds remaining. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and oh yes! Oh, like it just to give the feedback. In the end moment, like just 1 second before it came to the downward, just 1 second. Just 1 second. If it is still like, if I have the time 2 seconds, 3 seconds, then surely it will move in the downward. But it changed in the upward. A little gap, but it's okay. I will increase the amount now here. If I make the trade of the 3 here now, like 3 minutes duration, then surely probably it will be a profit, but I just make the duration of the trade is 2 minutes, that's why it will be a loss. If I make like 3 minutes, then surely it will becomes the profit. Here you can see again. So here the direction is changeable, like the yellow line is moved to the upward, but still the blue line is moving to the downward. But it will surely come back again in the upward direction, so we can make a trade here like after the 3 minutes duration this time. And let's make up trade, or we have to make the down trade. What you will think? Up trade or down trade? Those who are watching now here, you can also write in the comment chat like which side I have to make the coefficient, which side I have to make the trade, like upward or downward. There is only two options here, up or down. Like 2% will write one is up, one is down, and I will make one of them choice, and one will be benefit, one will be loss. So it's just continuously moving to the downward. That's why the 3-minute duration is perfectly as compared to the other coefficients. So it's still moving to the downward, right? Yes, it is still moving to the downward. Let's make a trade to the upward, and after that we will check like it will move to the upward or not. $30 remaining now. Okay, let's wait for 15 seconds because it is still moving to the downward. So I'm thinking that I have to make the downward or upward. I want to make the downward, but the thing is that the duration is 3 minutes, and what will happen after 3 minutes? Maybe it will come back to the upward again as it is moving right now. So I make it to the upward. Let's check. We have the duration is 3 minutes, as you can see. 3-minute duration is like big as compared to the another ones in the previous, you can see there. And it is moving like in the upward, and it gives the comfortable zone, like it gives the how I can say, like motivate. It keeps us motivation alive. So here we have the duration is like 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining now, because I make the duration is 3 minutes. So those who are newcomers, you have to stay here because I will explain all the things what is going on here. And let's check the composite index is the profitable, is the most Asia composite index, because it is giving the 93% as you can see here. So the best composite index which I feel by my choice. So here it is changing the direction, you can see. 1 minute and 50 seconds. If I make the trade just 1 minute, then surely it will refund me, it will recover the loss. But as I make the 3-minute duration, so it will take the time to give the final result. As it is trying to move still to the downward, as you can see, I can see it's changing the direction. But before it just moving from the last 1 minute and 30 seconds, it's just moving in the upward. But here it's again changed the direction. But it's okay, if I lose this money, then I will using the martingale strategy continuously, which I told you, like if I lost the amount, then I prefer to use the martingale strategy. Yes, it's obvious. So just only 1 minute left, and let's see it will cross this line or not, because only 55 seconds remaining there and 45 seconds remaining here. Like it will give the new Japanese candlestick here. I think this will be a loss, so I can change the amount. So I will just make that directly. 30 seconds remaining here, and it is not looks like that it will move and it will cross this line, because it's very far from here. There is gap too much, and our time is like just only 30 seconds here, 25 seconds remaining now. If it suddenly increase, like just cross within like 2 seconds, it just move very fast, then we can take our refund, we can take our profit. But it doesn't seems like that it will move to the upward again. So 5 seconds remaining here. As I told you, I will make the trade again after losing this, and this is a loss. And now it will cross, surely it will cross now. So here again make 3 minutes duration, because the big mistake is here only, it's not in our hand. I make the which, yes, I make the up trade. Up trade I make here, but in the last Japanese candlestick, it changed the direction to the downward. As you can see, I can see, everyone can see. It is the biggest Japanese candlestick as compared to the previous ones. You can see here, guys. These are very small, but here it is the biggest one, and it's just like as compared to the two Japanese candlestick, it just move in the one paragraph. You can see from here and here, just these two Japanese candlesticks are equal as compared to this one single. So I think the time is very wrong here now, because it's just moving downward and downward. When I make the trade, it just moved to the downward, and when like the end time came, like remaining time is just only like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, it changed the direction, like it moves opposite direction. So here it is like not too far, it's exactly on the trade line. You can see here it will shows us like 0. It means that it will refund our money here now. Now profit, when it will cross this trade line to the downward, then it will gives the loss. And our time remaining is 1 minute and 30 seconds, guys. Now it looks better that it is going upward. Yes, it's better now. And if it is still remain like 1 minute in the upward direction, we have the time is still 1 minute and 15 seconds, like big time we have, and only 51 seconds of the. Guys, I am thinking like as it is moving from here, just only downward from here. See, let me in zoom this continuously from here till here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Like across 20 minutes, it's just moving in the downward direction. So finally, it's time to came back again in the upward direction. As you can see here, our time is 40 seconds there, and here only 15 seconds remaining now. So let me zoom this. It has to just stay remain in the upward direction as it is going very pretty well. It looks like that. We have just only 15 or 20 seconds remaining, guys. And I am sure, you are sure, you can write in the comment section that it will be a loss or profit. I am 10,000% sure that it will be a profit, because it's just moving in our favor, in our direction, and it will not come back in just 6 seconds here. So profit. So the main funda is that using the martingale strategy that I got the profit 1674. And see, guys, you have reached a new level. See, you are just a few trades away from a reward. You have reached a new level. As I told you, in the few days I will recover the all money, and I will be past some levels. So this is the time as I passed here. You can see by your own eyes. It changed the direction, right? Well, it's fine for us. So it's again going to the downward. Now the downward direction came back again, like it's not moving to the upward, but we can make like upward or downward. What you will think I have to make? Which one, downward or upward? Let's discuss about this, and after that we will make the new trade. Go away, 100% profit. It's not 100%, it's more than 100%, because it recovered these both losses in just single trade. It's going pretty well now. Like it changed the direction. Guys, it changed the direction. It is moving to the downward. Now it's moving to the upward, and I just want to make the trade here when it came here. Yes, here I want to make. Let's wait for the 3 minutes, and I invested here 300. So, oh, it's moving to the downward. Very bad. Like just 10 seconds differences. It's just moving in the upward, but in the 10 seconds it came back again to the downward. But I make this trade in the upward according to this yellow line, because yellow line is changeable and it is moved to the upward. But here, like, firstly it is moving straight, after that a little bit upward, then again trying to downward. So we have 2 minutes and 25 seconds still here, so we can wait and we will discuss about this martingale strategy. So those who are newcomers here, let me introduce the martingale strategy. This is the best strategy which I noticed by myself and in front of all of you in the live stream, because mostly or like 99% it recover your losses. Let's check here. If we talk about the yesterday, then yesterday in the previous live stream I got the profit here 1638, because the 91 percentage rate of this Asia Composite Index, and here today 93 percentage. So you can see the difference. Here I got 1638 and here I got 1674, like approx 30 dirham differences. Wow, I like this when it just randomly move a little bit far, like it went to downward but it came back again to the upward, but it's still trying to come back to the downward. But hopefully we have a little bit time still, 1 minute and 15 seconds, so just be positive. Or if it will gives the negative, then it's okay. I will recover this again, this 300, as I recover this big amount 300, 800 in just 1674. So guys, look here, I lost 800, 300, 1100 I lost. You can remove this 1100 from 1674. After over all this, I can say like 600, approx 600 I will win the profit. So now this is also a profit. As you can see, in just 3 seconds it just randomly move in the upward very far. The longest Japanese candlestick which I seen here, not longest, I just zoom it, that's why it looks like that. And it will not come, surely it will not come here. So again I got a profit here, you can see. Let me make a new trade here. Oh, it's changing the direction. It's okay. I just make this another trade, because if I lose this which I recently make here, which I want to say, like Gogoy asking like, can you show us in the previous live stream like many trades? So I am just making the continuous trades here. I didn't mean like to just get only profits and profits. I just want to show you continuous trades, so you can see from the starting I'm just making the trades. So this 1674, it recovered these two losses in just single one trade. After that I got the profit 279. So like already 500 and 300, you can say like 800 is still I'm in the profit in just how much time? Only 18 minutes. And look here, it is moving downward, but it came back again in the upward, and it is giving again me a profit, and I'm damn sure that it will move in the upward, because we have time 2 minutes only, and 2 minutes it will not come back here according to the analyzing. So let's wait for the 2 minutes. So newcomers, if you have any doubts, you can ask, you can write in the comment chat, as like Gogoy writing in the comment chat. Just clear your all doubts. We have time remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds, right? Yes, it will be a profit. Go away, 1000% profit. Just 1000%. I am writing 1,000,000% like 10,000% we can say, because oh, still we have very long time, like 50 seconds, but the favorable condition is that it's like 1000% favorable condition in our favor, that it will not come in just 36 seconds now from here till here. It will take time, it will take some Japanese candlestick, but it can come back from here till here if it forms same as like this Japanese candlestick. So this second one is also again a profit, guys. And now I'm thinking to make the another one in the upward direction because I'm feeling very comfortable here, because it's just giving the continuous profitable trade. So like if I got this profitable, actually I really got this again a profit. So in the next trade, if I lose the amount of 300, I will no worry about it. Like there is no tension, there is no panic about that, because already I get 2 times of the same amount in the profitable amount. If I lose, then I can just cancel only one trade, this. So without any tension, I can make a new trade. That's the greatest thing, guys. So here they are trying to move to the downward now. Let's wait a little bit, and after that I will make the another trade of the 3 minutes. So what do you think, guys? As Govey mentioned, Govey, today new cameras are not there, I guess. Newcomers. I'm also thinking the same, but I can see like 7093 are watching here, but newcomers are, I think they didn't came. They don't like to like actually came all the time. So the amount is increased 149. Gogo, do you also earning from the YouTube? No. This is not a good question, because I'm not earning from the YouTube, because you can see the followers are very low on the YouTube, but it will take time. Like for earning, it will take more viewers, more subscribers. Mainly it depends on the like comments, subscribers. So I'm just trying to grow up this YouTube channel, so hopefully in the future it will give me the profit, but recently it is not giving anything because very low subscribers. Yes, you are right, it is going to downward, but I am just stopping to make the trade because already 3, 4, 5 times I make the trade. But it's okay, let's make 300 again. And today I came on the 10th level, like I successfully passed the 10th level of the risk free trade. Still they are moving like from here to, like these Japanese candlesticks are really very big, everyone can see. So again I make a trade, but it look like that there is chances to moving upward very low as compared to the previous Japanese candlesticks, because they are move very downward, like too much downward. But I have hope, मतलब उम्मीद तो है, I have the still hope because both lines are moving in the same direction in the upward. The yellow line is not moving downward. That's why I have the hope that it will also gives the profit in the end of the 2 minutes because it's not going to the downward. And blue line, it also follows the yellow line. The problem is that of the yellow line, like it just changes very frequently, like instantly, randomly, every each and second it just changes to the upward, downward, straight, tilted, anywhere it changes. So guys, the main thing is that I can make the another trade here. So I think I have to make the another trade as I mentioned. Congrats. Go boy, congrats. Thank you bro, thank you. Let's make the another one. Oh, a little late. Just like a little late I have to make the trade to the down to the upward because it's like moving now downward from here to here, and I hopefully make this trade here at this moment till here. So you can see guys, here two trades are moving, and one is like completely 10,000% is the profitable trade in front of all of you. It will not come back here in just 28 seconds. It will go back again to the upward according to this analysis. So here 20 seconds remaining, only 20 seconds after I will get the another profit, and 2 days like 1 profit, 2 profit, 3, this is the biggest profit of the live stream, and 3 profit, this is the 4th profit, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 profit. So continuous 4 profitable trades. But here it looks like that it will give the loss because here the Japanese candlestick is forming to the downward. As I told you, like in the previous time, in the previous 2 times, they are moving just only in the upward direction. Both lines are moving in the upward direction. But here they change the direction. Like yellow line is also moving to the, trying to move to the downward. So as I told you, this blue line also follow the direction of the yellow line. Sometimes they like move opposite to each other, but when they will move in the same direction, then surely the Japanese candlestick move on the same direction, and you have to make the trade that duration. So 1 minute is left, and it's not look like that it will come back in the upward again. Here it seems like that it is moving again to the upward, but the time is that only 1 minute left, and it came very downward from the previous trade. From here and here there is big gap. It will not recover in just 50 seconds. So sometimes it can recover when the long Japanese candlestick form. As I told you, when a long Japanese candlestick form, that time they can recover this. What will be the trend for 2 minutes? 2 minutes, like it depend on your choice, like if you want to make on the 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute. The thing is that only in the less time you can get the like profit or loss in less time, but in the higher time you have to wait for the result too much high time. So 1 loss after like 4 continuous profits, 1 loss. Oh, it is moving in the upward now. Yeah, very nice. It's trying to move upward. Let's check our trade analysis, how much we got the profit. Yes, it seems very fantastic. 58% is the successful rate. So finally it came in the downward direction, like it is moving from here till here in the upward, but after that it came back again to the downward. Let's make another down trade here. Let's check our another Euro composite index, commodity composite index. Now it's moving downward from there till here. Now it's trying to move in the upward. And gold one is still moving in the upward. Is a composite index is better as compared to the previous ones? Yes, really it's better. It is moving still in the downward direction. Just move downward, so I will make a up trade. 40 seconds remaining now. See guys, here again both lines are moving downward, but they are a little bit tilted to the upward. Like they are trying to come back to the upward again. Already from the 2, 4, 5, 6 minutes they are moving in the downward direction. So in the next some minutes they will move to the upward direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A new direction will form here, and it is going pretty well to the upward. Looks like that. Yes. Oh. I have to make this trade here, but actually it is like as I told you, it just randomly quickly changed at instant movements. I was just clicking here, but my trade was done here. 1 second. Close the trade and it will give the 135 trade. Why I will close the trade if it is just giving like half amount which I invested here? Like you can do one thing, like if you cross the trade, like we can close here and we will get the refund amount 156, but you have to close the trade only that moment when you are sure like it is completely will be move in our opposite direction, like it will be not in our favor direction. That's why that time you have to make another trade. So let's wait. For how much time? 1 minute and 45 seconds we have to wait. If I got this profit, then this loss will be recovered with this amount, and after that we will be in the profit like 300, 600, 900. Total we can say like 880 and plus 500 from here, like approx 1300 will be in the profitable amount, guys. Really it's big amount. And 1 minute only 20 seconds remaining now, so I have hope, a little bit hope. If it's stay remain in the upward direction, then I can say that it will be a profitable amount. But here it is moving downward, so it is not look like that it will be a profitable amount. Still I have the time, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Sometimes I think that I have to make the duration 2 minutes when it will, like when it seems like in our favor. That time I feel I make the duration 2 minutes. When it will looks like that it is going against in our according to our trade duration, then we think that we have a more time, more than 3 minutes. It's Just don't cross. It's crossed finally. Like in the from the 3 minutes, just in 30 seconds it changed the direction. In the 30 seconds it completely changed the direction. It came back in the downward. Only 9 seconds remaining. So now I lost 600, and this is the time to change the amount again. Let's check where I have to make the trade. It is also looks better that it is just moving in the upward direction. Europe Composite Index also moving in the upward direction. Gold is moving. Everyone is going in the upward direction except this Asia. Oh, Asia Composite Index also moving in the upward direction. So I make here 800, and it is going pretty well to the downward, like it's completely changed the direction here, but we have the time of the 3 minutes. Oh, it is forming a very long Japanese candlestick, and the direction also went in the opposite direction. It is really came back again to the downward, and big Japanese candlestick also formed here. Because I invest higher amount and it is giving also the higher trade. Looks like that they are just moving in the downward direction, and we have just only 2 minutes left now. So guys, what you will think? In the 2 minutes they will move, come back to the upward, or it will give the like loss? Recently it looks like that loss, but we have like 1 minute and 55 seconds. It's looking better now. Just cross this line. Gives me a confident. They changed the direction. It was looking very cool when it came a little bit very far in the upward. Yes, just stay there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. It is coming upward again, and we have the time duration is 1 minute and 10 seconds, guys. What you will think? Oh, no, don't think it will come into the downward now because it's crossed the line. Only 54 seconds remaining. "25 seconds remaining, guys. "17 seconds remaining. It changed the direction completely, like as just moving exactly opposite. In 7 seconds it will not come back here. Let me change the amount. 1800. Maybe we have to try the another Europe Composite Index. It is not looks cool. It's complicated a little bit. Here it is looking very fantastic. Commodity Composite Index. It is moving in the upward direction. What about the gold? Gold is moving. Wow. Very big Japanese candlesticks in the downward direction. But they can come back again in the upward direction. So we prefer to go back again in the Asia Composite Index as it is still moving in the downward rise downward. Here it's trying to move in the upward again. It came back again to the downward. 10 seconds remaining and it will give the new Japanese candlestick in the downward direction as according to the noticeable. And also the time is came to finish the live stream after 10 minutes. I just want to make a new trade in which I can recover these 3 losses. They are continuously moving to the downward. It's going like completely opposite in the composite. This is moving upward and Japanese candlestick is moving to the downward. Here like completely opposite with each other. But still they are trying to come back again. Asia Composite Index is still moving to the downward. Oh wow, it came very downward now. So guys, it's time to finish this live stream. See you again. Before going, I just want to make a last trade and let's see it will be a profit or loss. If I got profit in this trade, then I will recover these 3 losses, and if I lost in this trade, then it's okay. Next time in the next live stream I will recover this money. So here it's completely moving to the downward and it's look like better as compared to the previous short ones. These are very short Japanese candlesticks, but they are big Japanese candlesticks. Now the market is moving to the downward continuously, as you can look here. It went for a time to the upward direction, but here now it's coming back to the downward. I think everyone is going downward right now. Commodity Composite Index, it's still moving in the upward direction. Here both lines are movable in the upward direction. So we can make the trade here. Three, two, one. So guys, continuously from the last 3 minutes, the commodity composite index is moving in the upward direction. Let me count our profit. 800, 300, 600, 1400, 1100. sell 300, 600, 900, 2600. Like today's profitable is like similar with each other. No profit, no loss, equal amount. But before it was like giving the greatest amount in the profitable amount, really. The time is still in the downward direction, but I'm just worry about that if I make the trade here and it will change the direction in the upward. Like here, commodity is still moving in the upward direction from the last 4 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty good as compared to the previous ones. Let's change the duration. Five, four, three, two, one. So see here, as I was thinking to make on the commodity, because it's moving like continuous 4 minutes in the up trade, but here it came back again to the downward, and this commodity composite index in the downward, Asia composite index is also moving to the downward, but here it's trying to move in the upward direction. Look here. 15, 14, 13. Now it's moving in the upward direction. That's great. Let's make it 2 minutes duration and just finish this live stream. As I'm seeing the history here continuous, these like moving in the upward and upward. Upward, 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 upward. I like continuous just make in the upward direction. I didn't make any single trade in the downward direction. And this is the time where it's moving in the downward direction. That's why these three continuous losses here. commodity and the gold. Gold is trying still move in the upward direction. Let's make a trade on the gold. Come back to the downward and I will make a trade. "30 seconds is just moving in the upward, it's not trying to move to the downward. So guys, see you again. See you Goga in the next live stream. Four, three, two, one. Today I got very profit in the starting time, but after at these 3 losses. So this is like total equal amount, not loss, not profit. So there is no need to worry about it also. Okay, bye guys, see you again. Bye Gogoi, see you next live stream. As time, oh, I make one trade. Okay. So before going to here, like the duration is 2 minutes. I was clicking to the cancel button, I make on the trade. And the time is still how much time? 2 minutes. It's okay. Let's say goodbye. It will happen in the profit or loss. 1 minute 20 seconds. Three, two, 1. 1 minute is still left. "45 seconds remaining now." Like here it went to the upward and it was really cool when it moved to the upward direction, but here it come back again to the downward. Okay, so see you again in the next live stream. Just waiting for 30 seconds and it will give the result in 30 seconds, like it will be a profit or it will be a loss. This amount will be my loss if I lose, because before this everything is like equalized, like neutral, no loss, no profit. But here just in the 10 seconds we will get the actual result. 4, 3, 2, 5, 9, like it's still in the profit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Gogoi, if you are here, did you watch result? Our amount is increased again. And it recovered the all 3 losses in just single trade, as I told you. Okay, I will discuss about it in the next live stream. See you. Bye bye again.